In the heart of Rajasthan, there once stood a grand kingdom ruled by Maharaja Raghunath Singh, a king feared by many but respected by few. His iron fist maintained order, but his heart was as cold as the marble palaces he inhabited. Among the king's many possessions was a renowned courtesan named Anjali, whose beauty and grace captivated all who beheld her. Anjali's fame reached the ears of Raghunath, and he summoned her to his court, determined to make her his queen. However, Anjali's heart belonged to another, Pratap, the king's younger brother. Unlike Raghunath, Pratap was kind-hearted and gentle, qualities that had endeared him to Anjali. When Raghunath proposed marriage to Anjali, she refused, revealing her love for Pratap. Enraged by her defiance and consumed by jealousy, Raghunath ordered her to be imprisoned in the deepest dungeon of his fortress. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Anjali languished in the darkness, her spirit slowly withering. Pratap, unaware of his brother's sinister actions, searched desperately for Anjali. But before he could uncover the truth, tragedy struck. One fateful night, driven mad by his obsession and anger, Raghunath had Anjali brought to his chambers. In a fit of rage, he killed her, his hands stained with her innocent blood. Her dying breath carried a curse upon him, a vow that her spirit would not rest until he paid for his crimes. From that night on, Raghunath was haunted by terrifying visions of Anjali. Her ghostly figure appeared in his dreams, her eyes burning with sorrow and vengeance. Her whispers echoed through the halls, driving him to the brink of insanity. The once mighty king could no longer distinguish reality from nightmare, his mind unraveling under the relentless torment. Desperate to escape the relentless haunting, Raghunath tried every remedy his advisors suggested, but nothing could dispel Anjali's vengeful spirit. His once formidable reign crumbled as he withdrew into madness, abandoning his duties and isolating himself from the world. In a final, desperate act to silence the ghost, Raghunath ventured into the dungeon where Anjali had been imprisoned, hoping to beg for her forgiveness. But there, in the darkness where she had suffered, he found no peace. Her spectre appeared before him, as tangible as life, her eyes filled with the pain he had inflicted upon her. Unable to endure the horror any longer, Raghunath ended his own life with the very dagger that had taken hers. With Raghunath's death, the kingdom fell into chaos. The courtiers, terrified and leaderless, turned to Pratap. The younger brother reluctantly took the throne, his heart heavy with the knowledge of what had transpired. Determined to honor Anjali's memory and atone for his brother's sins, Pratap ordered the construction of a magnificent fort on the hill overlooking the kingdom, where she could forever be remembered. This fort, named Anjali Mahal, was adorned with intricate carvings and beautiful gardens, reflecting the grace and beauty of the courtesan who had once captured his heart. Inside, a shrine was built in her memory, where Pratap would often go to meditate and seek guidance. Over time, Anjali's spirit found peace within the walls of the fort, her restless wandering ceased. The kingdom, under Pratap's just and compassionate rule, flourished. The tale of Anjali and her tragic love became legend, a story told to remind future generations of the perils of power and the enduring strength of true love. Anjali Mahal still stands today, a testament to the courtesan whose spirit overcame tyranny, bringing an end to a cruel reign and ushering in an era of benevolence and remembrance. Visitors to the fort often speak of a gentle presence, a whisper of a bygone era, where the love of Anjali and Pratap lingers like a soft, eternal breeze.
If you like this video, subscribe our channel.